Hello dear friends. We are going to continue the next part of second topic, that's sexually transmitted diseases. These are also called as the venereal diseases, which are diseases which are spread by sexual intercourse with infected persons. They are major venereal diseases are the syphilis and the gonorrhea. About 50 million cases of the syphilis and the 150 million cases of gonorrhea in the world. The venereal diseases constitute the major medical problem in India. The first venereal diseases is the STDS, that's the syphilis. Syphilis are the highly contagious diseases spread primarily by the sexual activity, including the oral and the anal sex. Occasionally, the disease can be passed to the another person through the prolonged kissing or closed body contact. The infected person is often unaware of the diseases and unknowing the passes it on their sexual partner. Causative agents is the Trypanosoma pallidum. This is mostly asked at the time of the exam. What's the causative agent of the syphilis? This is Trypanosoma pallidum. Infection and the symptoms. Infections occur through the sexual intercourse and initiate intimate contact. It shows the 3 stages and the incubation period is 3 to the 4 weeks. Early or primary syphilis. People with the primary syphilis will develop one or the more sores. They occurs on the genital or in and around the mouth somewhere between 10 to 19 days, average 3 weeks. After exposure, even without treatment, they heal without a scars within a skin 6 weeks. The second stage, the people with the secondary syphilis experience a rosy copper penny rash, typically on the palm of the hand and the sole of the feet. However, the rashes with a different appearance may occur on the other part of the body. They may also experience the moist warts in the groin, white patches on the inside the mouth, swollen lymph gland, fever is cough, weight loss is here, and like the primary syphilis, secondary syphilis will resolve without treatment. Latent syphilis this is where the infection lies dormant, inactive without causing the symptoms. Tertiary syphilis, if the infection isn't treated, it may then progress to stage characterized by the severe problem with the heart, brain, nerves that can result in the paralysis, blindness, dermatopenia, dementia and the deafness, impotence and even the death if it is not treated. What's the control measure to these diseases? Prompt treatment. Finding the source of the infection and treating them. Avoid the multiple sex partner. Use the condom during the intercourse. So this one is the first disease, that's a syphilis. There is a formation of one or the more sori in the genital organ around the mouth, then the feet, all these regions. Soles of the feet, hands, palms of the hand, all these regions. The next form of diseases that is says as the gonorrhea. So what's the gonorrhea? Gonorrhea, it is highly contagious sexually transmitted diseases. Gonorrhea, it is characteristic by the thick discharge from the penis or the vagina. Its a causative agent is a Neisseria gonorrhea. This is also the mostly asked in the exam. Infection. In addition to male reproductive organ, female genital tract gonorrhea may infect the rectum, throats, eyes, blood, skin and the joints. Gonorrhea spread through the semen or the vaginal fluid during the unprotected sexual contact, heterosexual or the homosexual, with an infected partners. Vaginal anal sex with the infected partner, oral sex through this is a less common, very less close physical contact. Bacteria can pass from hand to the hand, from mother to her baby. You cannot catch it from a simple kissing, sharing the bath towel cup, and from the toilet seat. What's the symptom? There is a burning sensation and the pain during the urination. First, which is come from the penis, excessive secretion from the vagina, inflammation of the mucous membrane of the urinogenital tract, rectum, throat, and the eyes. What's the incubation period? It's the incubation period. It's near about the 1 to the 14 day in male and the 7 to 21 days in female. Control and the treatment: use the antibiotics and the prophylactics. Antibiotics, that's a penicillin. So this one is the second form of diseases, that's a gonorrhea. What's the summary? A sexually transmitted disease caused by the Neisseria gonorrhea, it called as the gonorrhea. Syphilis is a sexually passed on through the Trypanosoma pallidum. Symptoms comprise the release of the fluid from the vagina, rectum, penis, frequent burning and the itching during the urination. There is a 4 categories of the syphilis, that's a primary, secondary, latent and the tertiary. Usual treatment is a penicillin or the different antibiotics. The sickness can be main reason for the pelvic inflammatory diseases. Babies with the ailments like this may have the seizure or the mental retardation. To prevent this illness, abstain from anal, oral, vaginal sexual intercourse with the contaminated human for 100% effectiveness in prevention. Advise all those who undergoes unprotected sexual intercourse to see a doctor. Then the prenatal blood test for the syphilis are needed for the pregnant woman. Hope so you understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.